This is the Hilton Tulum All-Inclusive Resort, room 6347, Family Suite King. We just got here, and all your rooms are accessed by a little bracelet. And so you just put it on your door thing, and then it lets it in. So this was an upgrade for us. We reserved an ocean view just standard king, but we were upgraded to the family suite. So as you can see, come in and you've got a shower, bathroom, and then a little water closet there. Again, this is an all-inclusive, and so everything obviously is included. You've got your mini bar here, or mini bar, but little mini fridge. Everything's included. Great room. We were really glad to see that we were upgraded to it. That's just part of being a Hilton Honors member and having status with them. And so as you come out, you've got this huge open balcony. This is Casa 6. Oops. Which is at the end of the resort. It's a massive resort. It's a balcony that extends to, and this is kind of the family area. So we really are at the end of the resort, but you've got your kids park here, and then pool over there, and the kids pool over there. Where the thatched roof is a restaurant that we just had lunch at. I don't know what it's called. But the resort goes clear around. Everything is done by transportation, like golf carts, basically, little golf buses. So this is the family area. Storage closets there, and then you come into the bedroom. And obviously, we were just outside, but you've got the balcony here that connects. And then the cool part is right here, huge bathroom with a standing soaking tub, freestanding tub. And then you've got the double vanity, lots of storage with the closet there. And then you've got another shower here. And then you've got your water closet here. So that's room 6347 at the Hilton Tulum All-Inclusive Resort.